Email marketing, how to do email marketing right. If you're building an online business, but you're struggling with inconsistent sales, low engagement, and unpredictable results, this video is for you. If you're posting on social, creating content, maybe even running ads, but nothing feels steady, the problem is that you don't have a system that builds trust and turns attention into actual sales. This is where email marketing comes in. Email marketing should not be just another task to add to your to-do list. It's really the foundation for consistent income, customer loyalty, and long-term growth. My name is Soraya, and I've helped over 500 businesses from e-commerce shops and personal brands to coaches and service providers generate millions in revenue using email marketing. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use email to grow your business, why email works better than most channels, what goals to set, how often to send, and which businesses benefit the most. So let's dive in. Why email works for online businesses. Email gives you something no social platform can, and that's direct access. No algorithms deciding who sees your message, and no distractions pulling people away. Just your voice in their inbox. It's one of the few marketing channels you actually own. That means that no one can take it away. And this makes it one of your most valuable business assets. With return on investment ranging between $36 to $42 per $1 spent, email isn't just affordable, it's profitable. And when done right, it's personal, scalable, and built for longevity. People check email with a different mindset. They're more focused, more intentional, and more likely to buy. Clarify your core email goals. Email marketing only works if you're clear about what you want it to do. So you'll want to start by identifying the outcome. Do you want to drive traffic to your website? Would you like to book more sales calls or consultations? Or do you want to sell more digital products, courses, or services? Or nurture leads who aren't quite ready? Each campaign should have a single goal, and everything you write should support it, from the subject line to the call to action. The more focused your goal, the more effective your emails. Consistency over frequency. One of the biggest mistakes that I see that most online businesses make is that they only email when they're launching or selling something. If you disappear for weeks and only show up when there's promotion, you train your audience not to trust your messages. Instead, build a rhythm. Here's what I recommend. Weekly, one high-value email that teaches, inspires, or entertains. Monthly, a roundup or exclusive offer. You also want to have automations, welcome sequences, post-purchase flows, lead nurture, and re-engagement, all of which run behind the scenes and convert on autopilot. You don't have to email daily, but you do need to show up consistently. What types of businesses benefit most? Email works across nearly every type of online business. Here's how. E-commerce brands. It recovers lost sales, it drives repeat purchases, and launch new products. It helps service providers build trust, stay top of mind, or shorten the sales cycle. For coaches and course creators, it helps to sell digital offers, run live launches, nurture higher ticket leads. For content creators and personal brands, it helps to build deeper relationships. It promotes content. You can also sell affiliate offers or sponsored offers. It also helps you stay visible, educate, and be top of mind when your audience is ready to buy. If your business depends on timing, trust, and relationship, email supports all three. If you want more consistent revenue, stronger customer loyalty, and less reliance on platforms, you need email marketing in place. It's not just a great communication tool, but it's also a wonderful growth engine. Real quick, if you want to take everything we've talked about today even further, be sure to grab my book, Email Marketing Millionaire. It shows you what to send, how to sell, and how to make email marketing your highest converting channel. Grab it in the description box below. If you have any questions about email marketing, be sure to drop them in the comment box below and I'll be sure to answer them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, join my newsletter in the description box below, and I will catch you in the next video.